Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still am looking at this as 5 ways up for A. I still think this is likely to make a move to the downside for an A, B, C of B, which I think will take out this low before it potentially goes up for a bigger wave C. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think it's extremely clear that this is 5 waves down over here. So that definitely looks to me like a wave A, or maybe a wave 1. I think this is also very clearly 3 waves up, which I think is a wave B. Yes, it is a higher high wave B, but that does happen quite often. And I think that we are now likely in a wave C, which a wave C should potentially make 5 waves down, which likely will take out both of these previous lows. So in a ways, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think that the wave 1 ends right here. I think that likely we are in a wave 2 right now. And to me, it really does not look like this wave 2 is complete. It kind of looks like it needs to go up more, potentially even all the way up to one of these much higher Fibonacci levels to complete a wave 2 before it actually goes down and makes a wave 3. Now we have CPI inflation data coming out today, which originally I was kind of thinking that it would cause the dollar to go down. But looking at what all the pairs are setting up as, I kind of have a feeling that it's actually just going to cause the dollar to go up. So anyways, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I do have a nice impulsive trend up, which I do think looks like a wave A. I think this looks like 3 waves down, possibly a wave B. But now this looks to me like an incomplete wave C. I think this has potentially got a lot more upside potential. It might even stretch out beyond the 38% and even go all the way up to like the 50% for a wave C of wave 2 before it actually goes down for the wave 3. So anyways, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. I am still technically looking for longs. I mean, the trend is technically still up on like the 4 hour daily time frame. So if we do get like a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside, especially if it's with a break of structure, I would still primarily be looking for longs. Now, if today's news does cause it to go down and break structure to the downside, then I would be more than happy to start looking for shorts. I'm not going to fight the trend. You know what I mean? So if it does go down and break structure and hold below structure, then I will definitely start looking for shorts in the coming days and weeks. But until or if that doesn't happen, I will definitely just continue to look for longs every chance I get. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.